Well, after a gorgeous Tuesday afternoon, as we head into the evening, it looks like things do remain quiet for us. We'll see a lot of clear skies, very few in terms of clouds for us, and temperatures, they'll be a little cool. We'll drop down into the upper 40s and the lower 50s. But nary a cloud in the sky right now for us. Very few, in fact, a few thin clouds making their way in from the northwest and pushing off to the southeast and on into the overnight. It looks like we'll see even fewer of them, and expecting temperatures to cool quickly because of the clear skies that will be in place and the calm winds. But let's go ahead and take a look at what is happening right now. Currently at 68 degrees, clouds around the Marquette area, winds out of the north-northeast at 7 miles per hour, so definitely cooler out there for us than what we have seen over the past few days and going back into the weekend where temperatures were in the upper 80s. Temperatures right now for us and right along the shorelines, or at least the Lake Superior shorelines, in the 60s at 68 degrees in Marquette. Westward, seeing more of the same conditions at 63 in Ontonagon, 69 as you go into Lawrence, 70 in Ironwood, while at 76 in Crystal Falls, 76 also in Florence, and eastward. Middle 60s in Munising, 73 right now in Escanaba. Iron Mountain at 76 degrees in Ishpeming, right now at 68. And for your current winds, coming out of the northwest at 18 miles per hour, 13 from the northeast, 13 from the southeast in Munising, and at 12 from the northwest in Escanaba. Ironwood right now at 14 miles per hour. So a decent amount of wind out there for us. It is not light by any means. We'll continue to see winds like this for the next hour or so before the sun will set, and then winds should go calm for us, and then picking up once again as we go into tomorrow. And current temperatures across the state still pretty warm as you go southward, not quite as warm as yesterday at 79 in Flint, 77 right now in Lansing, and at 73 in Manistee, while at 76 for us into Iron Mountain. But tonight, looking at our headlines, it will be clear and cool with temps in the upper 40s and the lower 50s, a tad off of our averages. But as we go into Wednesday afternoon, it should be a nice day for us. Temperatures will be right around those normal values in the mid to upper 70s. And, well, guess what? We'll remain dry for now. Now, getting closer to the weekend, rain chances probably will increase for us, but that's still a few days out, so not seeing high chances as of yet. And as we take a look at our setup, that comfortable air mass across the entire Great Lakes, it looks to stay with us as we go into tomorrow, keeping the rain well off to our south. And tomorrow, another nice day for us with mostly sunny skies, normal temperatures, and winds that shouldn't be too terrible for us, expecting those right around 10, maybe 15 miles per hour right along the shorelines. But here's a look at your futurecast model. Mostly clear throughout the night as we go into our Wednesday. More of the sunshine on the way for us. Wednesday night also looks to be very clear, and where it looks like we could drop off once again into those upper 40s, lower 50s across the region. And then getting into Thursday afternoon and on into Friday, more clouds will try to sneak their way into the region, but it doesn't look like rain will be part of the forecast until later on into the weekend. Tonight, dropping down to 48 degrees, quiet and cool. Winds should calm for us, but then pick up out of the north between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunny and comfortable, high pressure and firm control. Temperatures for a few of us, at least a little farther inland, getting back into the 80s. Florence at 80, also at 80 degrees in Iron Mountain, 75 in Ontonagon, 73 in Lawrenceville at 73 in Houghton, 78 in Escanaba, 78 in Manistee, and only 68 degrees in Munising right along Lake Superior, and your 7-day forecast will be at 72 on Wednesday here in Marquette. 78 for us on Thursday, a few more clouds for us also on Friday, but temperatures, and those are building back into the 80s, and we'll see more of those 80s as we head into the weekend, where we will have a chance of rain and maybe even a few thunderstorms going into our Saturday. Sunday, we'll start to cool those numbers back off into the upper 70s. Not too much of a cooler air mass behind that disturbance, and it looks like Monday will be right around those same numbers, but definitely starting to see a little more of that humidity and mugginess returning, as lows during the overnight will be back into the upper 50s and the lower 60s all the way into next week.